Okay, we get this question sometimes from a tech point of view. Hooked up my battery, turned on the key, and it's making a noise. What's causing it? That's your hazards lights on. It got bumped during shipping or when installing. There you go. We shut that off. So that's what's causing the noise. That's your hazards lights on. So to get rid of that, as you can see, this is out. When it's in, it's what? 1/8 of an inch. When it's out, roughly 1/4 of an inch. And make sure when you're not using the unit, you shut the key off, because this will drain your battery down. Thanks for stopping by live at FamilyGoKarts.com.